Your mind won't stop running, right? You think about this same problem again and again. Today, I'll show you one simple trick that actually stops overthinking, scientifically proven and easy to do anytime. Overthinking happens when your brain believes a problem is dangerous or unsolved. It keeps replaying scenarios, trying to find control. But here's the truth. Overthinking is not intelligence. Overthinking is not planning. Overthinking is your brain in survival mode. Your mind tries to keep you safe, but ends up creating stress, anxiety, and mental exhaustion. The trick that stops overthinking, the name and shift technique, powerful psychological tool. Step 1, name your thought. Say, my mind is repeating the same thought. This detaches you from the loop, scientifically called cognitive diffusion. Step 2, shift to something physical. Touch something cold, squeeze your hand, stretch your neck, or take a slow breath. Your attention moves from the noise in your head to the real world. Step 3, give your brain one ordered task. Say, what is the next best action I can take right now? Overthinking ends when clarity begins. How to control overthinking long-term. 1, reduce mental input. Too much social media equals too much noise. 2, replace thinking with writing. Write down the thought, your brain stops looping it. 3, use the 5-minute rule. If something bothers you, work on it for 5 minutes. Action kills overthinking. 4, practice controlled breathing. 5 seconds inhale, 5 seconds exhale. This calms the amygdala, stress center. If you feel trapped in your thoughts, remember, you control your mind, not the opposite. Try the simple technique today, and you'll feel the difference instantly. Subscribe for more mental clarity, stress-free living, and emotional balance.